Okay, so on this video, we are going to look at how to use AI to do programming. So if you're a programmer and then you want to learn programming very fast or you want to do programming very fast, AI can help you to do this programming easy. Now, one thing you have to know is that you have to know the type of programming language that you are doing. So whether C++ or Python or any other programming language that you are doing, you can use AI to generate this programming language. Now, the first thing you have to do is that you have to open your browser. So let's say I want to use Google Chrome. So I've opened the Google Chrome browser. Now on that browser, where we have the search, I will type openai.com. Then you click on enter. Now, if this is your first time of you using this AI app, the best thing you have to do is that you sign in with your Google account or any account that you are using. So for me, I've already signed in. So there's no need for me to sign in again. Now, this bar here, what you have to do is that you type what you want there. So let's take it for instance, let's take something very simple. So let's take it like you want to get a Python code to draw a circle. So for me, I'm using Python here. So Python code to draw a circle. So AI will generate the code for you. Okay. So this is the code that we have to write it ourselves. But with the help of AI, we can get the code here. So what you have to do is that you don't have to do anything. Look on it to type it. You just copy the code. So we have the code here, you copy it. Now after doing this, you open your programming environment where we are going to do our coding. So let's take it for instance, I'm using Python, so I'll launch Navigator. Then after that, on that Navigator, I'll look for JupyterLab. That's where for me, I'm going to run it. So this is how the JupyterLab interface looks like. So this is how JupyterLab interface looks like. So you have series of what cells that you can run a code inside. Okay, so let's come to what you are doing. Now you have to paste what you have copied here. So we will paste it here by clicking on Ctrl+V, and that will paste it for us. Now the next thing that we have to do is that let's run the code and see. So you can run it here or you can use the keyboard shortcut, that's Shift plus Enter. So let's see. Okay, so now the circle has been drawn for us. So this the code. So we just copy the code from AI or openai.com, and now we've paste it here, and this is the result. So it means that we can use AI to do programming easy. So now since AI has come, there's no need for us to think of how to write a code before you can run it. Let's use AI to do things very easy because AI is very fast in doing things. So if you know how to do programming or if you are learning programming, AI can help you to what? Do your programming very fast. Thank you very much. If you want more, you have to subscribe and like this video.